This video is going to show you an example of a different way that you can make breakout rooms with your students if you're not wanting to use the breakout room feature within Google Meets. I know some people are not liking that because they want to be able to visually see what's going on in every single one of those breakouts. Now there are breakout extensions out there, Chrome extensions, that you can use as well. There's a lot of little setup that goes into those, and I kind of like the fact that I just want to use the same 4 meetings all day long and just assign my kids group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4 easily. They come right to this slide, they click right on their group meet link, and it gets them right into their breakout room. So this is just another option of how you can use them. So you first need to get 2 different Chrome extensions, Tab Resize and Mute Tab. So go to the Chrome store and download both of those. Once you have done that, then you want to open up each one of your Google Meets so that you have them open before class starts. So I've done that right here on this screen where you can see all 4. I don't want to flip back and forth between the tabs, but you can do that if you want, but I want to show how you can visually see all 4 at the same time. So I want to use the Tab Resize extension first. So I come up in the corner to my extensions. I don't see it here, so I'm going to click on the little puzzle piece, and here it is on my list. If you want to pin it so it's up top, you can click on this little pin, and now you'll see that it's right up here. So I'm going to go ahead and left click on this. I see my options because I have 4. I want to go ahead and choose the 2x2. So I left click on this, and you can see that it automatically took those 4 meets that I had open and put each one in a separate window. Now, if you wouldn't have had 4 open, let's say that you only had 3 open so far, it's going to create a 4th window with just the new tab in it. So then you can go ahead and, go to your meet, go to another website if you need to look at something different, or you can just left click and drag your meet over from the other window that it was in. Now there's one other problem. It's impossible for me to listen to what's going on in 4 of these meets at the exact same time. So I need to be able to mute some of them. When you right click on a tab in Chrome, it allows you to mute the site. Problem with that is it's going to mute all of Google Meet, and I'm not going to be able to hear anything that's going on in any of the 4 rooms. So I need to be able to mute just one tab, and that is where our extension Mute Tab comes in handy. So you'll see up here in the upper right hand corner the little sound icon. If I left click on this sound icon, it puts an M here, letting me know that I have now muted this tab. So I'm going to go ahead and mute 3 of my 4 rooms. So now I can only hear what's going on in this room in the bottom left-hand corner. When I'm ready to move to another one of the Google Meets, I can just left-click and mute this tab, come up here to the top, left-click, unmute, and now I can hear what's going on in this Google Meet. So try it out. Think of other ways that you might be able to use these 2 extensions to help you out with other things as well.